Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on M&T Bank. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, type in mtb.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official website of the M&T Bank. Now in order to log in, just click on the login button at the top section. This will then take you into the login page. Now select your account type among personal or business or commercial treasury center. Then go ahead and enter your user ID followed by your password. In case you forget your user ID or your password, you can click on Help with User ID or Password button underneath the password box. You can also click on Remember User ID button if you don't want to enter your user ID every time you log into your account. After entering all of your credentials, you can click on the Login button and you will be logged into your account on M&T Bank. And there you have it. That is how simple it is to log into your account on M&T Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.